let's make sure that we are proficient at finding equations of lines. So I just have a bunch of examples here that we'll kind of crunch out real quick. Equation for a line through the point 4, comma, -6 with slope 3. So very important formula to know is y minus y naught is equal to m times x minus x naught, with that uses slope m and point x naught y naught. So we can simply put in the required information here. So that would be y minus y naught negative, so minus -6 is plus 6 is equal to m 3 times x minus x naught. So y plus 6 is equal to 3 times x minus 4. Have a line through the point 5, comma 5 parallel to the line 2x minus 4y is equal to 3. So we have a point. This is going to give us the slope here. How do we come up with the slope from this? Well, let's manipulate this a little bit. If we move the -4y to the, let's move the 2x and then to the other side. So that would be 4y. -4y is equal to -2x plus 3. And if we divide both sides by -4, you get y is equal to 1/2 x minus 3/4. So here we can see the slope. The slope of this line is 1/2. Okay, so what is going to be our final answer here? We again use y minus y naught is equal to m times x minus x naught. And so this will be y minus y naught is 5 is equal to 1/2 times x minus x naught, x minus 5. Next example, suppose we have a line through the point 3, comma 7 that's perpendicular to y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. Let me just kind of draw that on here. That is a horizontal line. So what would be perpendicular to a horizontal line is a vertical line. So this line is y is equal to something. A vertical line is x is equal to something. What is the x value here? What's a vertical line through the point 3, comma 7? It's x is equal to 3. And finally, one last example here, a line through these 2 points, 4, comma 1 and 2, comma 8. So we have points here, we need a slope. How do we find a slope here? So let's, the slope between these 2 points is going to be 8 minus 1, the change in y, divided by 2 minus 4, the change in x. And so this would be 7 divided by -2, or -7/2. And so y minus, we can use either point here. You can either use this point or this point. I'm going to use this point. Y minus 8 is equal to -7/2 times x minus 2. So those are some examples of finding equations of lines, an important task to be able to do.